Displacement in price action trading refers to a strong, decisive move where price moves with intent instead of drifting through choppy or balanced conditions. On TradingView, this often appears as one large candle or a sequence of wide-bodied candles that break away from nearby structure and show that either buyers or sellers have taken control. The value of displacement is that it helps separate meaningful movement from normal market noise. When price leaves an area quickly, with limited hesitation and strong candle closes, it suggests that one side of the market was willing to commit with enough force to move price away from balance. That shift from uncertainty to urgency is what makes displacement useful. It can appear during a breakout, after a rejection from a key level, or at the beginning of a new directional move. When analyzing displacement, context matters more than candle size alone. A large candle is more relevant when it breaks through a recent high, a swing low, a consolidation range, or a level that the market has already respected. The cleaner the break and the stronger the close away from that area, the more weight the displacement carries. Volume can also help by showing whether the move was supported by stronger participation rather than a short-lived spike. Displacement is also useful when judging whether a pullback has finished. In an uptrend, if price retraces into support and then leaves that area with a sharp impulsive move, it can suggest that demand has returned. In a downtrend, the same logic applies in reverse. If price pulls back into resistance and then moves lower with strength, it can suggest that sellers are still in control. The key is not to treat every fast move as a signal by itself. Displacement works best when it is reviewed alongside structure, trend direction, liquidity areas, and nearby support or resistance. Used properly, it helps show where the market moved from hesitation into conviction, giving traders a clearer read on momentum, intent, and the strength behind the move.